energy that you guys have, I need you guys to bring it out today, tomorrow. I know it's hot outside. I know we had you waiting. I'm so sorry. Bear with us. This is the first time we're trying to do the best that we can. Everything happened last minute. So I'm going to say it again. Oromo, Jitu! Jitu! Okay, thank you guys so much for coming. So today we all know this has been going on for so many years. The killing of innocent Oromo people, the lives of children, women, men, the military has been killing us, and today we are here to tell the world that we had enough, because they're not listening to us no more. So we're going to be outside here as many days as we can, be out here to let the government know, to let everybody know that we are not standing for the death of our heroes. And our last hero is going to be. So we pray that Hacaaluu will be the last fallen hero, and we don't have to cry no more. We will be back home in our land with equality, freedom, and not to be afraid of who we are. Because what are we? What are we? What are we? Thank you guys so much. My beautiful helper, organization worker here, sorry, is going to do a little speech for you guys. We need to keep this energy happening, this energy going, because we are here today for the people back home that do not have any voice. They cut off the internet. We have no way of communication towards them. We don't know how many people have died. They said 80 people, but I think it's way more than that. It's just not 80 people. It's only 80 people that's reported, but there's many have been kidnapped, arrested, and we don't even know. Why? Because the Ethiopian government has shut down the internet, has shut down all phone services. How many of us have family? We all have family back home. We don't know if they're in prison, if they're alive. We need to know. The Ethiopian government needs to be. The Ethiopian government needs to go. Abiy needs to go. I need to hear everybody say that. Abiy must go. I don't hear you. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. All right, so we're gonna get Lummi here to come tell you guys a speech. Be patient with us. There's water. We're gonna get ice for you guys. Please be patient with us. And Lummi.
Hello everyone, hello. I guess Nina didn't really introduce us. We are Oromo Youth in Charge. Keyword on youth. We are the youth. We felt that we were empowered today because it's the youth that are back home protesting. They're the Keros. We need to amplify their voices. Oromos have time and time again have been the voiceless people. We are their voices today. Toronto, we are going to amplify their voices from every city across America, across the United States. Today, the MH has shut down the internet, the phone lines, but they didn't shout our voices here. So we're going to amplify our voices. Today is a pre-rally. We are not going to stop. We are done hiding in the bushes of Queen's Park, yelling at an empty building. Today and tomorrow, when we're going to keep going, because every day, Oromo lives are lost in Ethiopia. And you guys know that. It's nothing new. We are Oromo Youth in Charge. My name is Lummi. I'm the Vice President. Lina, who you saw over here, was the President of Oromo Youth in Charge. Just to let you guys know, today is a pre-rally. Tomorrow is our real main protest. We cannot stop one day. We need to continue to protest as our parents did. And we now, the Keros, our youth, we need to be with our parents today. We are, like Hacaaluu said, like Lina said, Hacaaluu is going to be the last one. I'm going to get one of our other youth here in Toronto. For all of you guys, I'm sure you guys know what's going on, but for Toronto, we want everybody to know. So we're going to have her break it down, everything that is going on in Ethiopia. See her?
As everyone knows, on the 29th of June, Hacaaluu, an Oromo musician and activist, was shot and killed by Ethiopian forces after making politically bold statements, criticizing the Ethiopian government for cultural repression of the Oromo people and calling for the removal of the statue of Menelik II, a late Ethiopian emperor and tyrant. The assassination of Hacaaluu sparked protests and unrest in the Oromo region. The Ethiopian government has since then arrested prominent political figures and journalists, killed protesters, shut down the Oromo media network, and blocked internet and phone services. The Oromo ethnic groups makes up 34.5% of the Ethiopian population, making it the largest ethnic group in Ethiopia. Yet there has been efforts to completely rid Oromo people and culture from the nation. Oromo activists have been held captive, tortured, mutilated, castrated, murdered, imprisoned, and exiled for simply speaking out against the injustices of the Ethiopian central government. How can we help? We can help amplify the voices of the unheard by using hashtags like #Oromo protests and Free Oromia, and we can raise awareness on the injustices brought to the Oromo people. You can contact and send letters and emails to their representatives and senators demanding the release of the American citizens that are locked up in Ethiopia right now. Share on your social media as much as you can and follow at Oromo Protests on Instagram to stay alert. Thank you.
All right. Just for all of you guys who know, I know it's really hot today, so we do have water and ice over here, so do not strain yourself with the heat. Next, we have another one of our speakers who's going to speak in Oromo for you guys, for those who don't really understand English. Sam, please come.
Nagaa amantii qeerroo jirtu sabboona jirta sabboontu jirta har'a kan nuyi walitti qabamne beekamaadha. Hacaaluuyyuu haa ta'u malee galmii ittiin walitti qabamne waan iyyaannu garuu waan hedduu qaban. Nuyi jecha koo kanan jalqabu sirba Hacaaluu keessaa waan tokko fudhadhe. Guddaas gabbarree xinnoos gabbarree akka wajjiniin bubbulluu fedhe. Baroota baay'ee keessaa Oromoon xinnoos ta'ee guddaas gabbaree hammarraatti as ga'ee jira. Kana booddee garuu hin ta'u kun arran deebi'amu. Maal godhan isaan? Maal nu godhan? Gaafa isaan beela'an harka bal'isnee lafa laannee qarshii keenya laannee beela isaan baasne. Isaan garuu maal godhan? Nu eeganii dudduubaan rasaasa nutti naqanii nu galaafatan. Aannan itti laanne. Isaan garuu maal godhan? Sumbii nutti deebisani. Isaan hin kabajne. Afaan isaanii baranne. Aadaa isaanii duukaa buune. Isaan garuu maal godhan? Nu jala deebi'anii halkaniif guyyaa akka afaanni keenya du'uuf, akka aadaan keenya barbadaa'uuf hojjetan. Kana booddee hin jiru. Hamma Oromoon bilisoomtutti no more jaarsummaa. Kana booddee jaarsummaan hin jiraatu. Ijoollee abbaa gadaadha jedhanii ijoolleen abbaa gadaa hin hammatanii waggaa baay'ee waggaa hedduu ittiin qabatanii waan baay'ee godhaniiru. Kana booddee garuu waan akkasii hin jiraatu. Nu keessa hin jiraatu, lamuu hin jiraatu. Hin jiraatu miti. Dhageessisaa kaasa galee hin jiraatu miti. Kana booddee hamma Oromoon bilisaa'utti jaarsummaan hin jiraatu miti. Oromoon waaqnillee rabbillee limiitoo isaatii qaba gaafa namni balleessu. Hin obsa. Rabbiin obsa. Hin obsa gaafa obsisaa garuu dhumu limiitii mataa isaatii qaba. Hin dhaaba. Nuyi hin obsine waggaa 150. Hin duune. Isaaniif jennee obbolaa keenyaaf lafatti nannee nama 5,000 gabbarree iddoo sanarra baasnee akka isaan mirga keenya irra dhaabbataniif gonkumaa hin hayyamnu. Hin hayyamnu mitiire. Hin hayyamnu mitiire. No more jaarsummaa. Kana booddee jaarsummaan hin jiru. Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti. hin gaafanna. Saati ammaatti waan biyya Itoophiyaa keessa ta'aa jiru hundumti keenya akkuma qabna akka ni dhaabbatu hin gaafanna. Thank you. Kana booddee hundumti keenya wal qabannee adda baanee Oromiyaa dhugoomsisna. Hinnu gaa'u. Oromoon yeroo gabaabaa keessatti boombiin maal jette hin turre malee hinurra. Qabsoon keenya mootummaa duwwaadaa wajjiniin miti. Oromoo ta'anii dhalatanii, Oromoo ta'anii guddatanii, garaa isaaniitiif jedhanii kan saba isaanii dabarsanii gurguranii goobanaa laaqee bara kana wajjiniinis. Kanaaf Oromoo hundumti keessan akkasin dammaqsanii isin gaafadha. Of ilaalaa aadaa keessan guddisaa tokkummaadhaan Oromummaa keenya weellisaa ibsaa akkasin konfidensiidhaan jiraatan hin barbaada. Oromiyaan ni bilisoomti.
All right, we're going to be handing out some megaphones. And we're going to have one more speaker. And then we're going to start protesting.
Oromo jirtu. Arre Oromo jirtu. Kolle Oromo jirtu. Hawon Oromo jirtu. Qabsaawwan Oromo jirtu. Ilmaan ayyaa jirtu. Down, Abiy Ahmed, down. Down, Abiy Ahmed, down. Down, Abiy Ahmed, down. Oromia shall be free. Biyya isaa irratti. Gabroonfatamu. Tuffatamu. Reebamu. Hidhamu. Biyyaa baafamu. Injiraatu. Ni dhumna. Ni dhabamna. Malee. Hin gabroomnu. Galatooma ulfaadha.
The Tigray, all the other ethnicity in Ethiopia. It's not. This is for the Ethiopian government. If you do not agree that the Ethiopian government is killing us and ripping us up from our resources, then you do not support us and you do not stand with us. So please leave. Because what we need is justice. That's what we need. We need justice for Oromo people. No justice, no peace. 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 I can't hear you guys. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace.
No justice, no peace.
Come on, I don't hear everybody. I see everybody standing and not here. I don't hear everybody. I'm going to say it again. No justice.
No peace.
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 And when we want justice? We want it now, right?
Right now.
Let me hear you. Do we want justice? When do we want it?
Right now.
When?
Right now.
When?
Right now.
When?
Right now.
I can't hear you guys. When do you guys want justice?
Right now.
When do you guys want justice?
Right now.
Do you guys want to keep dying?
No.
Do you want our families to keep dying?
No.
Do you need our people to keep going to prison?
No. No.
I can't hear somebody.
No.
I need everybody. I know everybody's hot. I know it's hot. We have water. If you need water, please come get it. But I need everybody to speak with their voices because we're the only voices outside. We're the only voices now. They have been shut down. They have no voice.
so get out. This is what people have been trying to do for years, silence us. We will not
be silent.
We will not be silent. I can't hear you guys. Raise your voices. We will not be silent. We will not be silent. We will not keep dying. We will not keep dying. We will not keep dying. We are the voices. We are the voices. We are the voices. We are the voices.
We are the voices.
We are the voices.
We are the voices.
We will not be quiet. We will not be quiet. We will not be quiet. Who do we need justice for? Please somebody tell me. Who do we need justice for? For whom? For whom? We need justice for whom? For whom? Who must go? Who must go?
Abi must go.
Who must go?
Abi must go.
Who must go?
Abi must go.
Let me hear you guys loud and clear. Who must go?
Abi must go.
Dr. Abi must go.
Abi must go.
Dr. Abi must go.
Abi must go.
Dr. Abi must go.
Abi must go.
No mercy for Dr. Abi.
No.
No more Dr. Abi.
No more Abi.
No more Dr. Abi.
No more Abi.
No Abi Ahmed.
No Abi Ahmed.
Killing our Oromo people in Ethiopia.
He's killing the Oromo people.
We need justice now.
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 He needs justice right now.
Justice right now.
Ethiopian politicians have to be free. Jawaar have to be free. Maagaala have to be free. All Oromians, all Ethiopian politicians have to be free from the jail. Ela, wanti har'a nuti addanatti walitti qabamnee fi ergaan keenya tokkoof tokko kaayyoon keenya mootummaa gabroonfataa Itoophiyaa